Hi, my name is Paulina Longenbaugh. I recently called Lariat Restoration because we woke up to a wet spot in our carpet, and it turned out to be a leak in our wall. Carlo responded right away, and his team came out within that day actually, and they found a leak in a spot we didn't know that it would be coming from. They immediately started the process to stop the leak, and then came out the following day to start remediation. I have never been able to say this about an incident at the house. Things happen when you're a homeowner, but this has by far been the most pleasant, ironically enough, experience I've ever had with a hiccup at the house. Typically any other time a leak would be so incredibly stressful to deal with. We have a new baby, we have pets, throw in everything possible that would make something like this super stressful, working from home, and it really could have been a nightmare. But thanks to Carlo, everybody at the Lariat restoration team, Isaac, everybody, Dimitri, you all were so wonderful, and their crew. This couldn't have been an easier process to deal with, and thanks to them, everything's fixed, within a matter of just days. And I will say this, any other time I've called individual contractors, not contractors, but like plumbers and, different contractors like that to come out, they can take a long time. Carlo had his team out, and everybody lined up to come out within like back-to-back days of each other, and they showed up on time. They were super professional. Anyway, I could review them forever. They were rock stars to deal with. I will be calling them all the time. I actually referred them to my mother this weekend because she also had a leak. So anything fire, water, damage related, call them. And I know that they also have a fabulous construction side of their business. So I will absolutely be calling them whenever we do remodeling as well, because they just were stellar. So anyway, I could talk forever about them because they were so incredible. And I don't say that lightly because I'm a realtor and I've dealt with so many contractors, and the Lariat team was just beyond top notch. So definitely give them a call.